So this is a ball of mass m, and this is a string of length l. This one is also length l. This is a mass of 2m, which is attached to a string of length l. Initially they are in a straight line in horizontal position. Now when I am releasing these balls, it will come here like m, and it will attain a velocity of, this one is also l, so it will attain a velocity of under root 2gl, and here 2m will also attain a velocity of under root 2gl. So they will collide with each other, and after collision the mass m will attain the velocity v1 and 2m will attain the velocity v2. So as the collision is perfectly elastic, so v2 minus v minus v1 over v1 minus v2, that is root 2gl minus root 2gl is equal to E. As the collision is perfectly elastic, so E should be 1. So V1 plus V2 is equal to twice root 2gl. This is my first equation. Now when the linear momentum equation will be m into root 2gl plus this is initial momentum, and two m and minus root 2gl, as velocity is in opposite direction, and this will be 2m v2 plus m minus v1. So this will be minus m root 2gl is equal to 2m v2 minus m v1. v1 minus 2 v2 is equal to root 2gl. This is my second equation. Subtracting each other, so 3v2 will be equal to, we are doing the subtraction, 3v2 is equal to root 2gl. So v2 is equal to root 2gl over 3, and v1 will be 2 root 2gl minus 2gl over 3 to the 6, 5 root 2gl over 3. So v2 is this, v1 is this 1. Now I want to find out after collision what height they are going to attain. Like as v1 is here, so suppose it reaches a height somewhere here. So for this mass, half mv1 square is equal to mg, and suppose height attained by hm, height is hm, then hm is equal to v1 square over 2g. That will be 2gl over 9 over 2g is equal to L by 9. Now height attained by 2m mass will be, means this is for velocity v2 is the initial velocity, so it will go back and attain some height, the maximum height. So there it will be half 2m v2 square is equal to 2m g h 2n. h2m is equal to v2 square over 2g. That will be 25 over 9 2g. 25 L over 9. This is the height attained. Thank you.